Welcome back. Now, one kind of video that you may want to create will be to narrate a presentation using presentation software like PowerPoint. Now, PowerPoint does have an integrated add-in that you will need to make sure is going to be enabled before you can use it. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to operate under the Windows configuration. And to start the process, we're going to pull up the Run window by typing Windows, then the R button. That'll give us the Run window, and we're going to type in Control Panel. We're then going to click on the Programs link. We're then going to click on the Programs and Features link. We're then going to find the version of Camtasia that we want to use for the add-on, and we're going to click the Change button. We're then going to click the Modify link. And if you have not added the Camtasia add-on for PowerPoint, you can then click this Enable button. What you can then do is click the Modify link. Now, in order to undertake this process, you will need to make sure that your Camtasia version is closed for the one that you're going to use to modify. If that's the case, you're then going to click Modify. Camtasia will then go through the installation process of adding the add-on to your Microsoft PowerPoint. Your Camtasia should then be added to your Microsoft PowerPoint. You should then be able to go to your Microsoft PowerPoint, go to the Add-in section, and then see your Camtasia recording area in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also go to your PowerPoint options. You should find within the Add-in section that the Camtasia add-in is enabled inside of Microsoft PowerPoint and that it is the version that you want to have enabled. Now, if you close and reopen Camtasia, you should see a message welcoming you to the Camtasia PowerPoint add-in. Now, what you'll want to do is to make sure that you untick the Show Tip again. Otherwise, you'll see this message when you open PowerPoint at a later time. We're going to click OK, and the PowerPoint add-in is then added. We can then go to the add-in section again, and we'll see our PowerPoint add-in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.